Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story, and today we're out at Carlisle, Pennsylvania at the Ford Nationals, and I met the Millers, Ed and Evelyn. So nice to see you both.
Thank you.
And Ed, you've got a car. How long have you had this car?
We've had it for 35 years.
So around 1985,
yeah,
85, 84.
84, I think. Yeah.
All right.
34 years, yeah.
So what kind of car do you have?
I have a 53 Mercury Convertible.
And the Monterey.
Monterey Convertible.
The Monterey Convertible. So now, question for you: was the Monterey kind of an upgrade, or were there different versions of that?
It's the upgrade.
It's the upgrade version. Okay. Evelyn, question for you: how many years have you been coming out to the Carlisle?
Oh, quite a few. 20?
Yeah, 20,
And
25.
do you enjoy the car show?
Oh, goodness, yes. Lots to do, lots to see.
Good to-
Beautiful cars.
Beautiful cars to coming out. Evelyn, I'm going to take Ed to walk around the car with me. Is that okay?
Certainly.
Ed, come on with me. All right, so let's take a look at our featured attraction. The Mercury Monterey Convertible. Now, Ed, why this car out of all the cars in the world did you have to have this car?
I had one in 1959, I think it was. I bought one, and I dated my wife with it.
So this was the car you dated your wife in.
No, not
the car, but a car like it.
Just like it, yeah. Same color and everything, yeah.
So this one brings back memories of the early days.
Oh, yes.
Well, let me just show that bumper. There's no question. If you hit something, what's hitting you first?
Yeah.
So now this car took a little while to find. I mean,
Right.
you were on a little bit of a search.
Right.
How long was the car searched for?
About 4 years.
Where did you, let's take a look at this. Let me just feature that one here. The Monterey. Look at even the shape of the mirror. Wonderful. Nice roof line. Nice entry point. This opens up with a keyhole. I'll feature this. The Mercury. The little fenders. Let's step back and take an overall look at it. Come on back with me. So, where did you find the car at after a 5-year search?
We found it in Greenville, South Carolina.
So let's take a look at the back of the car. We've got the single exhaust, and the back end of this car looks so luxurious. We see the Mercury prominently featured there, as I like to call it, the jewelry of the car. Here's your trunk key, and just the wonderful taillight assembly. Ed, can we open the trunk here? I think we've got some treats in the trunk. Is the gas going behind the filler here? Okay, right there. Got it. So we've got the owner's service policy, the 500-mile inspection coupon, the 2000, and the important information about your new 53 Mercury. You see the emblem there. We won't go through the entire book. Here are the keys to better motoring. And this is your Mercury Club badge. And you can see that there's like a cloth material along with the plastic, and obviously the trunk, and there's a liner, as you can see here as well. Getting to know your Mercury. And I won't go through the whole thing, but learn all the details and all the photographs and drawings along with it. How to start your engine. Great stuff. All right, we'll close that. Thank you. May I open it? May I open it? Thank you. Nice door. We have metal up here, followed by Is this leather and vinyl?
It's all vinyl.
All vinyl. We have our Mercury here greeting you. Our tag, engine oil information, our pedals. I'll give you that from a distance. And I'll let you see that up close. That's cool with the Mercury face. And there's a little Monterey on the door. Let's take a look at our seating. So you sit here, Evelyn sits right next to you there.
Right.
Got it. All right. Just like back in the day. It's wonderful. Thank you. Just one big pod with some toggles on both sides for the blower and a couple of pieces here. A couple of aftermarket gauges. Radio. Is that clock still working?
No.
Okay. And one thing for the passenger, right there. Little Mercury emblem. Get that a little clear. Nice little cues, and the power windows are a wonderful accessory. Let's take a look under the hood, shall we? We'll keep that open for the moment. So I'm just curious, when the convertible top comes down, does everybody just stop and stare and wave more than the top up? Or when the top's up, not as much? When the top's down, everybody's staring?
Yeah, right.
Exactly.
Exactly right.
So we've got the flathead Ford. Nice.
1953, last of the flatheads. Yeah.
Last year of the flatheads. Your blower assembly. Look at that. Single cylinder, lots of room to work on it. Do you do the work yourself?
Yeah, mostly myself, yeah.
That's wonderful. Let's fire it, shall we? Does that run smooth or what? That is a smooth running ride.
Yes.
Let me get the exhaust note. I don't even know if I'm going to hear it. It's so smooth. Oh, it's got a nice little rumble. And I'd like you to do one thing. When you get in, if you could press the brakes one time so I can just see the taillights, and then give it one rev. Wonderful. Go ahead, give it a rev. One more. A very nice 50s rumble. Okay, we're going to shut that down. We'll shut it down. And we'll close the hood. And the last thing we'll do is take the top down. Now the top's manual. Do you need two people?
No. But I want to put the back window down first.
Okay, gotcha. Is it a zip out window or is it plastic?
It's a zip out.
Okay. Well, that's fast. Do you usually drive it with the top down?
Right.
Okay, got it. Oh, power top. Beautiful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Evelyn, stand right next to your husband, please. Come on over, Ed. Oh, wonderful car, right?
Yes.
Just absolutely wonderful. Well, first of all, thanks so much for coming to the show. Thanks for sharing your car. I'm excited to see what people think of the car. Thanks for being on My Car Story.
Okay.
And thank you. We
Thank you.
really enjoy it.
Thanks. Subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. The end.